Hello, I'm Ellen from Blue Badge Company, and today I'm going to show you our range of lightweight, height adjustable walking sticks that keep you moving and looking great. Made from high quality, lightweight aluminium and with a Canadian wood handle, I'm going to show you how to open, fold and adjust the sticks for easy storage and assembly. Our sticks come with a plastic brace, which keeps the stick together. To remove it, simply squeeze the stick slightly and slide it off the bottom. To assemble the stick, simply take the bottom and top section and it will snap out easily. To adjust the height of the walking stick, simply push the pin in and hold the bottom part of that top section and pull slightly. The pin will then fall into the slot that you require. The holes are in 3 centimetre increments and the stick can be adjusted from 82 to 94 centimetres, which should fit most people. However, if you'd like the stick to be smaller, simply remove the non-stick rubber ferule, take it off the stick and you can cut up to 9 centimetres off the bottom. To fold your stick together, hold the top section in your hand and take the next section in your other hand. Then turn it slightly and pull it out. It's just like a tent pole. The turn is to loosen any pressure that may have built up whilst using the stick. Then fold that section up and take it into your other hand. Turn and fold. Turn, pull and fold. To hold the stick together in the folder position, you can either place back on the plastic brace or you could store the stick in one of our convenient carry cases. These are ideal for when you're travelling around and want to keep your stick securely folded. Our sticks can be purchased with the coordinating carry case and come in this beautiful presentation gift box. We have a range of different styles and designs of the stick bags, and particularly nice is our range of William Morris ones. We hope you enjoy using our independent living products as much as we enjoy making them.